What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Stasia here, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I thank you and welcome you here. So as y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title of this video, I am going to be beating the hell out of this space using nothing other than drugstore products. Walmart specifically, okay? So anyway, yes, I will list down below in the description box each and every product that I use, so that way you can go ahead and purchase it yourself. So yeah, again, I thank you guys so much for returning back to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. And let me shut up and let y'all go ahead and watch this week, honey. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear More Than Concealer. And this is in the shade 415 Honey. All right, so one thing that I noticed is that this concealer does dry pretty fast. So I'm gonna work fast with it. In this area here, I did just, you know, kind of blend in between. But what I like to do is I take it, after I blend it and it's like, you know, dries, nothing on it, I take it and I like to brush it up just a little bit, tap in that area. Nothing major, but just so the color can, well, the concealer could blend in that area as well. And that is pretty much it for the brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one and then I'll be back. And as y'all can see, this pencil is really nice. Like, it looks really natural. All right, so now that the brows are complete, I'm gonna go ahead and with some Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation. Now this is for normal to oily skin. And I'm going to be using the shade 368. And that's Deep Golden. And as y'all can see, I did not color correct. I wanted to, well, I've used this foundation years ago though, like forever ago. But I wanted y'all to see that it is, I would say it's full coverage, definitely. I would say medium to full because you can still somewhat see my blemishes, but not too much. And I'm going to be taking that same concealer just to highlight. Okay, and to set my face, I did purchase both of the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powders, and I have the number 30 and the number 40. Now 30 is in medium deep and 40 is in dark. So they do have colors that are shades that are in between, but at the Walmart I went to, I just did not see like number 35 or anything like that. But anyway, yeah, as y'all can see the color of them. So this is pretty much my skin tone. So I am going to try medium deep. And as y'all can see, I'm not baking with this. I'm literally just tapping it in here and then dusting it off like that. And I'm pressing it into my skin because I put a little bit much right there, but yeah, I'm pressing it in because yeah, I don't want to bake. I literally just want to set my face. All right, guys, so to set the rest of my face, I just purchased the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder, and this is for normal to oily skin as well, and this is in the shade 360. Now, it is definitely too light for my skin. As y'all can see, this is definitely not my shade. But anyway, this is a great powder if you want something that's very affordable. And this other brand's there as well. I just picked up that one, but it does not work for me, so I'm going to stick with my Sephora. For anyone who's interested, this is the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade 60, which is deep. I think it's their darkest shade right now. But yeah, I'm just going to be setting all over my face with this, as well as going over that setting powder. Just not much, but just a little bit. As y'all can see, it did tone it down. This is a great step right here to avoid flashback, like after you set your face. All right, so to add some more warmth back to my skin, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this is in the shade Medium Deep. And as you can see, I use it all the time. I love this contour palette. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to be shaking the contour shade right here and just dabbing my brush in it. And okay, so to clean this up, you can just take that same sponge and, like, you know, just clean around the area. And this brush has not, I mean, well, it is a little dirty, but it has nothing on it, like no additional product. I just like to kind of dust away anything that was left behind. So anyway, yeah, I could not find for the life of me a bronzer, like a budget-friendly bronzer. So anyway, I could not find one, and I do not want to keep using things that are not budget-friendly. So far, I've used the primer and the pressed powder, and those are not, well, they are budget-friendly, but they did not come from Walmart. So I don't want to keep doing that to y'all. So I'm going to skip the bronzing part, and I did purchase the Black Radiance Artisan color baked blush. It is in the color 8305 Warm Berries. So this is how it looks in the package. I'm not sure, I know I'm not going to use much of it because I don't want to be, you know, that's why I love bronzer, because it's like bronzer gives you color but not color, you get what I'm saying? Like, so, But anyway, I'm gonna use a little tiny brush right here and just pick up a little bit of it. That's even, I mean, it looks like it's a little pigmented, but I'm just gonna add just a little bit. Let's see. I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Look at me, still adding. Y'all, I really like this. I really do. And of course, I'm gonna go back in with my sponge just to, again, clean that up some. But yeah, y'all, I really freaking like this. So before we move on to the lips, we are almost done, y'all. Before we move on to the lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. And this is in the color Black. All right, so while my liner was drying, I went ahead back in with the e.l.f. brow pencil and just cleaned up my brows a little bit more. Just added more, you know, color where it was faded out some from all the different powders. So next, moving on to lashes, I will be using these gorgeous Minks right here. And this is, well, they're by the brand. They're from the brand, excuse me, Colored Eye Candy, and it is in the style Starburst. Now, I will have down below in the description box how you can purchase these lashes yourself. They are gorgeous. All right, so next step, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water, which it says it preps, it sets, and it refreshes your face. So yeah, I'm going to be using this all over. Smells like cucumber too. Yeah, it smells just like cucumber. My lips, I'll be using the Wet n Wild lip liner, well, lip pencil, and this is in the color Simma Brown. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss, and this is in the color 215 Supernatural. All right, y'all, so that wraps up this video. I really hope that you enjoyed my very inexpensive Walmart beat, okay? This look was super simple, super easy, super quick, and like I said, very inexpensive. I really hope that you guys learned something or could take something away from this video. This just goes to show that you can look like this. You can have a bomb beat face, okay? On a budget. You do not have to go spend tons of money in MAC, Sephora, Ulta, and all that. Just go over to Walmart, Target, places like that. But this video was obviously, I picked up mainly everything from Walmart. So like I said, it was very inexpensive, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend and tell another friend. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.